everyone! Today's video we're going to talk about pumping, how often to pump, and when you might need to start pumping. I'm Kassi Reyes. I am a registered nurse. I'm a board certified lactation consultant and a co-founder of People's Lactation, and each week I will be bringing you a new video on different topics in lactation. So the first question you want to ask yourself when considering pumping is, how is lactation and breast or chest feeding going? So if your baby is latching regularly to the breast or chest, latching for 15 or 20 minutes, and the weight loss looks good and baby's output, wet and dirty diapers are where we would want them to be, for the first 2 to 3 weeks, really, you don't even need to start pumping. Unless there's a medical indication to start pumping sooner, you can go ahead and stick with exclusive letting baby do the work. Your baby is the best pump. Your baby is stronger than even this Symphony, which is a hospital grade pump. So if your baby's latching and all indications show that baby's getting enough to eat and that things are going well, there may be no reason to start pumping sooner than at least 2 to 3 weeks. That 2 to 3 weeks is about how long it takes for your body to adjust and establish your full supply and adjust to baby's needs. So when your baby is feeding on demand, baby is sending signals to your body, telling your body how much milk to make. So it's a supply and demand system. And if baby is eating regularly and you add in additional pumping on top of that, you're kind of overstimulating your body and sending extra signals to your brain. I like to joke and say it's kind of like telling your body that you are pumping or making milk for twins. So try to avoid that. Try to avoid overstimulating and causing an oversupply early on. Give your body that 2 to 3 weeks to establish a supply at the level that your baby needs it at. And then after that, if you're interested in starting to pump, go ahead and introduce maybe a session in the morning after your morning feed, and introduce one session at a time. But if there's no indication for pumping earlier, go ahead and just let your baby do all the work. If you find this video or other videos on the channel helpful, I would love to have you subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button down below. Hit the like button. If you hit the bell, you're going to be notified each week when I post a new video. That way you won't miss a thing. So welcome, and I will love to have you join the community, join the conversation happening down below, and I will see you next week.